So each section has some history about the area that we're going to be mapping. Here is some directional tools, how to measure degrees, the history of map making, all this really cool stuff. Then you have how to draw a map. Okay, we start out with the ancient Mesopotamia here. Step-by-step drawings on how to do this. I usually teach this during morning time, and we do it together, and we can do it on a whiteboard. And then she has an activities section. I obviously got the digital copy. So then we have activities to go along with our map making. I love Ellen McHenry stuff. She's got lots of great resources, so go check it out.